I have been on such a Linkin Park kick. My heart forever will be broken. Little tidbit about me. Used to be in the Linkin Park fan club back in the day. Junior high, freshman year, that was my thing. Obsessed. I was totally obsessed. Hey everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am so excited that you're here. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Something came in the mail. What was it? Boxycharm is here. I feel like this box has been highly debated online. Some people love it, some people don't love it. Let's see what's inside and see how I feel about it. I'm feeling sassy today, you guys. A lot of people online, I get the vibe, were not thrilled with the July box. I did take a peek in here and I just filmed an Instagram video on this eye look and also a different video. Lots of videos coming your way. So I am not going to try these on, but I am going to go through here and see what I got in my box. I have been doing Boxycharm now for I feel like it has to be a solid 2 years, if not longer, a very long time. And I do like that they switched over to this little info card instead of just the little sheet of paper. And it looks like, okay, 2 items in here I see, I'm like, hey, that's a good brand. So I'm just gonna pull the first one out. The first one on the sheet is this item right here. This is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biometric technology, peptides, botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. $42. And let me backtrack here. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription. If you don't know, where have you been? It's $21 a month, and in my opinion, it's awesome. It's amazing. I love it. I've had months where I'm a little bit meh about the items, but I feel like every single month I get something in the box that makes it totally worth the $21. Like this item, $42, and the box was $21. So far, I feel like I'm already in the plus. Stay tuned until the end because I might be doing a little giveaway. If you're new to my channel, I usually do giveaways every month with my Boxycharm. The items that I don't need or I have too much of or I just won't use or don't work for me, I give away. Hello, Mr. Motorcycle. Could you be a little louder, please? The next item I am excited for. This is the Ready Set Radiant Mist by Tarte, a very name brand and so cool to get in this box. It says, give your skin the glow it deserves with antioxidant-packed cucumber, fruit, and plant extract skin tonic. The non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit within luminosity. $25. I personally am totally 1000% obsessed with beauty sprays. Really, there's just something about them. I just feel so bougie and extra when I use them. And plus the fact that they really do improve your makeup game. I feel like it just brings everything together. This one is radiant. With oily skin, a bit scary for me, but I will tell you guys, I have a trick and a half to make sure radiant, dewy skin mists work on oily skin. I'm going to try to film that very soon because I've talked about it before, and with the moving process, I never got it done, but I know I have found the magic trick to make it work, because sometimes your girl, she likes dewy skin, she likes glowy skin, but she doesn't want to look like a grease ball by the end of the day because I can do that naturally. I know you want my secret. Comment down below. Okay, and the next thing in the box is something I may have snuck and used the other day. It is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Designed to work for all skin types. It's luminous, paraben-free, and it adds a natural color to the cheeks. The other day I was in desperate need of a peachy, corally colored blush, so I did reach for this. I'm going to pop just a little bit on, just very little, because I want to keep the cheeks very natural today. It is pretty pigmented. I mean, I tapped off my brush before and I've got some color there. Really like this. Can you ever have too many blushes? I don't think so. Never, ever, ever, ever. I'm a big fan of the blush, especially this year, this summer. I've been really into it. Some days I'm going full out Lots of color on the cheeks, and I'm not hating it. The next thing in here is something that you can never have, again, something you can never have too much of. The next thing is this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, the award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara. Oh. Glossy mascara? That I'm not so sure how I feel about. I don't think I've ever used a mascara that describes itself as glossy. That's kind of strange. Unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, and strengthens. $24 with gentle ingredients. So definitely something I will stockpile on because I go through mascara fairly quickly. I have been practicing how to wear fake eyelashes, so maybe I won't go through mascara as quickly. Do you guys like tutorials better with fake lashes or with mascara? Let me know. Let me know what you like because I want to make sure you guys are seeing the things you want to see on here. Because I've been trying to teach myself how to do winged eyeliner and false lashes. It's about time. 3 years in, it's about time. Cello Beauty Eyebrow Cream. So this one, it says add some wow to your brows. The innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your brows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. $26. So one end is a brush, one end is like a pomade. I saw someone else's video talk about this. Those are all my items. Definitely my box was way more than $21 in value with the items I received. Is it my favorite box I've ever gotten? Not at all. Did you guys see the sneak peek that we're getting one of Laura Lee's palettes next month? I'm personally very excited about it, and you might want to check back because I'm very excited about it, but I'm going to give it away to one of you all because I already have the Ticket to Brazil palette, which is all bright colors, and there's only so many bright colors you need because you don't wear them on the daily. So that one I know will be going away to one of you awesome members of the Lash family. I seriously love you guys. But this month, I'm just going to do a little tiny giveaway of this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage and the Cella Eyebrow Cream. I think this is supposed to be a universal tone for everybody. So if you are interested in these two, please enter the giveaway. To enter my giveaways, please comment down below with I love my Lash family and comment down below with your Instagram handle so that I can contact you because YouTube has done away with the message feature. You have to be subscribed to my channel. It's true. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love, love, love for you to be a part of the Lash family, so make sure you subscribe. I must say, I feel like I have some super duper nice and supportive subscribers, so don't miss out on that. You want to be a part of the positivity. We are positive, we are happy, we are loving, we are welcoming. So join us. So make sure you say down below that you love your Lash family with your Instagram handle and be subscribed to my channel. You must be over 18 years old and a USA resident per every single giveaway I've ever done because sadly I don't make any money on my channel and I just can't afford to do overseas shipping. I'm sorry if you are one of my subscribers from overseas. I still love you. I'm sorry that I can't do giveaways yet. Hopefully one day as this channel grows. I really, fingers crossed, hope that I can get to the point where I'm at least monetized once again. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Both places where I'm semi-active. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, not that active. And the most important part of this video is to remember, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.